Hello guys, this is Sugars Crypto. On this video, I'm gonna give you guys some updates, some crispy updates on Cardano. Now, before we get into it, for any of you that doesn't know what Cardano is, because I'm trying to reach new investors, new people that are curious about the cryptocurrency. Cardano is the third generational blockchain technology. I'm gonna break this down easy for you. Bitcoin is the first generation blockchain, which you can transfer the coin, Bitcoin, through wallet. Now you can use this as method of payment, but the transactions per second are a bit slow. Ethereum is the second generational blockchain, which is a Ether coin, which is the native coin of Ethereum that you could transfer wallet to wallet. Second layer would be the smart contract. They could build smart dApps on it, and it is a proof of work. So right now they're trying to launch the proof of stake, Ethereum 2.0, but they're running into problems because this is something they didn't thought from the beginning. Now Cardano is thinking everything from the beginning, ladies and gentlemen, is building the foundation blocks, which I'm going to mention some of them on this video. Cardano's native coin is ADA. ADA coin could transfer from wallet to wallet, and it would be scalable. They're working to scale it up to 1 million transactions per second. Now, the second layer, Shelly, which is a proof of stake, which is more efficient to mint new coins by staking your coins on the Daedalus wallet or Yoroi wallet. Right now, we're on the test phase of it, and I'm staking my coins and I'm earning rewards on the testnet. Obviously, this testnet is just to test and fix bugs and fix all incorrections, synchronization time, and whatnot. The third one would be the smart contract Gogan, which it be to launch dApps on Cardano, which is going to bring new developments, new developers into Cardano, and they're going to start building new dApps. Cardano would be interoperable also, so that means that all these dApps and all smart contracts and any other cryptocurrency could be interoperable through Cardano's blockchain. So that means you'll be able to move asset to asset through the blockchain of Cardano, which would be really stunning. We are waiting to see that. Cardano is also going to be quantum computing hacking resistance, which is very sophisticated. Right now, computing quantum resistance not a threat right now at the moment, but it could be a threat in the future. But Cardano will be suitable to do so. It's scalable. They're working on Basho development, which is they're working on all these developments parallel to each other. They're gonna be launching it one by one, but they're working teams, gathering together all these developments and wrapping all this stuff up and compiling it together. The scalability and interoperability will be Basho, which would be the fourth. The fifth would be the Voltaire, which would be the voting and treasury system, and it would be very nice because new developers would be offering us, the community, the new developments they want to do to Cardano, and we would have the democracy to vote and delegate or stake our ADA to the developments they present to us, and whoever has the most delegators to these developments, they're gonna go and run with it. Now, what we're gonna get into it is, sorry if I ramble a little bit and you guys didn't understand quite a bit, but you guys need to do more research on Cardano. Cardano is one of the blockchains that can overtake the whole world, guys. I'm not kidding. Right now, they're working in India, they're working in Africa, they're working in Mongolia. They have a lot of partnerships with governments around the world, and this could be something that's going to be huge, guys, especially with the topics I'm about to talk about right now. IOHK Charles Hoskinson has met with McCann Dublin to discuss details of relaunching strategy for Cardano brand. Now, if you guys don't know who McCann is, this is going to be top crispy updates for you guys. McCann has created some of the best known and most iconic advertisement campaigns of the last century. Today, our work helps brand become part of the popular culture across the world and engage with customers in their daily lives. These guys are very, very good when it comes to advertisement. And Charles Hoskinson has met with the owner and has talked about working deals of relaunching or rebranding Cardano. It's going to be huge, guys. He's even going to probably sit down with Joe Rogan. You know how many people Joe Rogan has following every single day? Every single podcast he does? A lot. So think about all the people out there that's going to be flooding onto Cardano. Gotta get a hold of that ADA while you can, guys. Anyhow, this is another update they done recently. I know you guys probably heard it, but I'm just going to run through it really briefly, and I'm going to get into it. First layer of Cardano Byron, which is the reboot to improve higher performance and reliability. Now they're doing this because we're moving from Byron to Shelley, which is the decentralization. So that doesn't mean that they're gonna throw away Byron. Byron is the first layer, is where ADA coin is transferred. So they're rebooting it, trying to make it more faster, more reliable to the chain, to the blockchain, to the network, because we're about to enter a different type of Cardano, a type of beast, which is gonna be amazing. Now the second layer protocol, Ouroboros Hydra, should allow the Cardano blockchain to become faster as it scales. The protocol uses a system where each connected to the network will generate 10 additional heads, and each of them will provide an extra lane of throughput for data and transaction. This way, the blockchain should actually become faster as it scales, not slower. Okay, so that's a development that we should consider if we want to scale worldwide. Now, Bitcoin is a good coin. Now, the other day I heard, today I heard Crypto Crow said that it might be by tomorrow by the time you see this video, but I heard Crypto Crow said that he didn't agree with Charles Hoskinson, which is the founder of Cardano and co-founder of Ethereum, said that Cardano is more meaningful than Bitcoin. Well, guys, the reason why I invested in Bitcoin in 2013 was because Bitcoin, I was thinking about Bitcoin being a replacement to the US dollar. I mean, you guys seen the news. They're printing trillions of dollars. They're printing money like if it was toilet paper. They do not care. The dollar is not attached to any asset. They just attached to our beliefs that we could use it as a method of payment. But they're printing lots of it. It's not the dollar was attached to gold in 1975 when Nixon, the President Nixon, came into office, and he detached the dollar from gold, and now the gold is worth nothing. It's just a paper, what a paper is written on. That's all. So let's continue. So I believe more in Cardano because I think Cardano is more meaningful, because Cardano is going to provide other countries to run smart dApps on Cardano's blockchain. They're going to provide interoperability with other blockchains, and not only that, but assets. They're going to counterfeit products like rice, like coffee in Ethiopia, and they even have an authenticity on shoes, on collecting shoes, and you might see authenticity using Cardano's blockchain with Rolexes and Rolls Royce and Ferraris and all this stuff. Guys, there's gonna be ways, because right now if you want to buy a real Nike shoe online, they might have a replica of a Nike, and you might not know that it's authentic, and they could use blockchain or Cardano's blockchain to verify with a smart app on your phone to make sure that shoe is authentic, and that you could buy it. That's more legit. So let's continue, guys, because there's just too much information. I'm overwhelmed right now because Cardano is like a monster. It's gonna eat the whole world. It's crazy. It's good. It's a good thing, guys. So Adresia is another development they're working on, which is a collection of APIs and libraries to make it easier for exchanges. Now, I think this is what's going to make Cardano be on Coinbase here soon. Adresia is going to help exchanges like Coinbase an end user application to stay up to date on the Cardano node without interruptions while they are updating or providing maintenance to the network nodes. Now, once this is launched, once Adresia is launched, I believe we will see Cardano on Coinbase. That this is really appealing, and this is very sophisticated when it comes to exchanges. Exchanges want a easy maintenance in their platform. They don't want to hold a currency that they're going to be currently updating the network, and they would have to put downtime on it. They want something that they could just transfer aid up, and they can make trades with no interruptions to the network. Now, Adresia will be that API, that light client that will allow exchanges to stay up to date with the Cardano node without any interruptions. Now let's jump into Ogmios. Ogmios brings the Ouroboros mini protocols to the web effectively, allowing light clients to interact with the relay node in a very simple and efficient way. Ogmios relays create entry points to the Cardano network from various types of applications such as Wallet, Explorer, chatbots, and dashboard, and so on. So this is another development they're going to do to facilitate Explorer, chatbots, dashboards, wallets. So they're working, guys. This is back-end work, what I'm telling you right now. And we're going to soon see this happening here soon. Now, they also launched a daedalus flight, which is a daedalus wallet. And this daedalus flight is especially created for ADA holders who want to help them test the new wallet features. Okay, now this is on the mainnet, guys. So if you transfer ADA to that wallet, you could transfer it to another wallet, to Euro. You could just transfer it to an exchange. So this is the daedalus flight is a legit wallet. It's not an artificial wallet that doesn't have any functionalities. It does have a lot of functionality, and it does participate on the mainnet. But if you see anything wrong with it, make sure to report it, because that's what they want to address it, because this is going to be like the preface of the new Daedalus wallet. They're using this wallet as to improve it and reshape it and refine it for us ADA holders that we're going to be using it. And right now, guys, this is it. That's all I got for you guys. I kind of compile a lot of features, a lot of developments on Cardano into one video. I hope you like it. Make sure to subscribe and hit that like. Take it easy. Peace out and stay healthy. Peace out.